How's it growing? I know it's frustrating when something is eating your plants. When you boost a plant's health to reach its genetic potential, it's not susceptible to pest and disease. A plant probiotic called EM-1 can help accomplish that. For me, it completely got rid of a persistent whitefly problem that I had. This is a powerful combination of microbes. I use EM-1 as a foliar spray and a drench. The result? Plants have stronger root development, nutrient uptake, higher yields, improved quality. It also inhibits disease-causing organisms like blight on tomatoes and black sooty mold on fruit trees. My veggie garden, fruit trees, house plants, landscape plants, they all benefit from EM-1. And let me be clear, I wouldn't partner with the company or product that doesn't fit the vision, mission, or content of this channel. Teraganix, the distributor of EM products, has partnered with Stax Urban Harvest, and this means that you get a 15% discount when you use the link in the description and promo code Stax Urban Harvest. When you purchase from Stax Urban Harvest affiliate links, you're supporting the mission of this channel so that I can continue making videos to help you grow organic food regeneratively. For more information about EM-1 and a lot of other things that it's done for me besides get rid of whitefly, check out this other video. Live regeneratively and let's grow together.